Hi everybody, it's Dr. Michele Drake here at the Drake Center. I'm here to answer some questions you guys have or just provide some more facts about puppy care.
Dr. Drake, what should I expect at my puppy's first veterinarian visit?
So at the first visit, we're going to ask you a lot of questions. We're going to check on what the vaccine schedule's been so far. We're going to have you bring a fecal in, and we're going to do a thorough physical and spend a lot of time talking to you about important things like preventative care, when the next visit is due, and what sort of training you should get started at that time.
What should I ask my veterinarian at my puppy's first appointment?
Well, really, I think it's important for you not to have to ask questions for your veterinarian. I think it's important for us to provide you with a lot of information. And then we're going to ask specific questions about how your puppy's doing. But really, that's on us to make sure that you're well educated and have all the information that you need.
How often does my puppy need to go to the veterinarian?
So it's really important when you get a puppy to come in right away, and then every 3 weeks until they're 4 months. And some puppies, actually all puppies, we're going to recommend that they come in at 6 months also for a 6-month visit. Between 4 and 6 months, a lot of things go on. We hate to miss that 6-month visit because we have a lot of behavioral changes and diet changes and exercise recommendations. Most importantly, the behavioral aspect of things. We want to make sure that your dog is meeting the right guidelines. We're going to make sure behavior is correct, or we're going to help you to find the best way to kind of redirect that behavior.
When should I get my puppy spayed or neutered?
So most puppies, we recommend having them spayed or neutered right around 6 months. Some of the larger breeds of dogs, we're recommending that we wait till later on because of their bone development. So the large breed dogs, we'll have a discussion about waiting for them. There are even a few breeds that we find that there may be some of the cancers may be reduced in, say, golden retrievers if we wait a little bit longer. That being said, there are some large breed dogs that do have some behavioral issues that will come up. And we do want to really stay on top of that. We don't want to see any signs of aggression in an 8-month-old dog. We may want to consider neutering them earlier. So really it's just important that you stay in close contact, and that 6-month visit is so important for this reason.
Last question. What are some things my vet will be looking for at my puppy's first appointment?
So at your first visit, what we're going to be looking for is their temperament, their demeanor, and their just general energy level to determine whether or not we think there may be something that the puppies come with. And then certainly we're going to be looking in their eyes and their ears and their nose and their mouth and listening to their chest and feeling their intestines and looking at how they walk. These are all things that are part of the physical exam, and collect information from you as to how things are going at home to determine a good physical assessment of your dog. So if you guys have any more questions about puppy care, give us a call at the Drake Center.